Welcome to the program Communication Breakthrough. How many of you ready for a game? Say aye. On your marks, get set, go, 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 go. Coach, please give me a clue. Love. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. BK Dhoop, Dr. Ponneri, Anjuji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Day, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in, first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line, and if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.